What's going on, everybody? I had to jump on early today. I got some doozies. All right. Some fucking doozies. All right. Time to buy, baby. Buy. All right. So, today, what is hot? What should we be looking at? First of all, look at this bad boy right here. I got multiple screens pulled up, but Worldcoin. What the fuck? Worldcoin of 17% today. I mean, look at that freaking candle. $2.11, and it is popping. I mean, that might be the biggest candle I've seen. So Worldcoin, massive breakout going on right now. Buy. Right? Holy shit. All right, where in the heck is this bad boy going? We got lots. We got some poppers today. Damn. All right, Worldcoin, massive breakout. All right, I'm targeting $2.60. So $2.60. I know we got this little measuring tool. So from here, we still got another 26% that we can go, right? We still got another 26%. It's cheap, $2.11. I like this bad boy. Squeeze is firing. Shit. Now, it might pause first, right? Don't expect it to go right up there, but this is a big ass candle. I mean, it's popping. But since that squeeze is firing, it's game time. So if you're not in this and you just don't want to chase it, I would be looking to that if it comes back into $1.97, pulls back, you can pick some up. So you can put a limit order right here. That's called S1. So right in that area. Now, if it breaks down, look for this area right here. I'll tell you exactly what price that is. $1.81. Okay, because sometimes when you get these massive candles, I mean, 266, I mean, everything's pumping in. Worldcoin, I love it. Okay, I love it. Now, if it drops to 181, you can also pick it up right here. When you get these breakouts, you got different levels. So if you miss the pop, look, you can just jump right in because momentum's coming. But if you want to add or you don't want to jump in too far, S1, $1.96. Set a limit order. You can put a limit order on $1.81. Then you can put a limit order on $1.79. Okay, different Fibonacci levels, but that's just of this big ass candle, 17.5%. Fuck. It's massive. Shit. All right. If it does break that, we can start adding here at that 173. But the bottom line is with these breakouts, momentum's coming in. This is your boy right here. This is your boy. Shoot for $2.60. Different levels along the way. Bam. All right. We got Shiba. Now, I'm going to show you again. I'm going to show you a lot today. I'm going to show you some poppers, both stocks and crypto. The market sucks right now, by the way. S&P ain't doing nothing. But we've got some stuff that's moving. I'm going to show you one that's up over 2,000%. So Shiba's up 432. On my board, it is popping. Shiba is breaking out right now, right? So again, Shiba's breaking out, squeeze is firing, momentum's coming in it. Buy. See, people say, when you buy, well, buy that shit when you know people are coming in, right? Now, right here, 0.00016. That is our first target, okay? Draw that Fibonacci on these breakouts, and bam, that Fibonacci number matches perfect. All right, so that's where we going. in the short term, which still from here, you know, it's another 4%. So if you're like, that's too high, what do? Let's take this little Fibonacci right here and let's zoom in. All right, so you can put a limit order. What I mean by limit order is if Shiba pulls back right here, that's S1, 0.000015, 1517, if you want to really take that shit deep, because this is a big ass candle. Then right here, if you really want to get exact, I'm giving you all the numbers, okay? Right here, 0.0004 That's S2. And then right here, 0.00001472. So you can jump in now. Momentum's coming. Shiba's a buy. No doubt. Squeeze is firing. It's a buy, buy, buy. For those of you who love Shiba, game time. But if you're like, it's going too far, shit, then take a look at those levels, right? That S1, that S2, S3. And if it breaks down below, I will tell you this. This is valid as long as that level holds. So this breakout is popping. Don't expect it just to continue to shoot up. It might. But there's different levels that you can add. This is how you make a lot of money. It breaks out, you know people are buying that shit. Big ass candle. If you miss it on the way up, scaling on the way down, you gotta hold this level. I don't give a shit if it pulls back in this zone. Somebody's buying today. Shiba. All right, so let me mark that off my list. We got some big ass. I'm going to show you one right now. We're going to get to the AI as well. AI is popping. Stock, though. AI stock. Okay. So we got, well, shit. Let me show you this stock right here. This shit's crazy. Okay, this is not a crypto. This is a stock. Freight technology. Okay. No, wrong one. Hang on. FRGT. Let me see here. Wrong one. This motherfucker's up a lot. That's why. FRGT. Let me see here. Let me go to my top gainers here. FRGT. All right, let's see here. No, it's not that one. But we just had it in a minute. Maybe it's over here in my stocks. We'll find it. But here we go. AI. A freaking I is popping. So this is a C3.ai up 3.86%. Right? 3.86% pumping. Again, buy. This is a daddy, right? This stock. Money's coming in. Right there. Now, 24.25 is our breakout area, but this bad boy is one of the strongest stocks on the board today. The market's down. AI's popping over 4%. AI gets another push tomorrow, which is highly likely. Measure our Fibonacci, $25. So you can take it from here and move it up. That's another 6% that you can make on your money. Another 6%. And in the stock world, that's big. We want to see it pop, though. Want to see it break out. Let me see something here. Why in the heck can't we pull this up? Freight technologies. Man, that's 2,000%. Hang on. Okay, let's go back and look at the stock. I don't know. And I don't know why it's showing that. Look at this bad boy. Let's just bring it up over here on this platform. For some reason on TradingView it ain't. 2,000%. This is a penny stock, right? It went from 22 cents to $2, up 2,000% on the day. Fuck. That's massive. That's the biggest stock on the board, biggest gainer of everybody. Massive. You can get rich right there. Okay, so money's going into it. This bad boy, I mean, they don't just shoot up for no damn reason. But this is pumping. It could pull back a little bit, start to pick it up, but I mean, come on. 2,000%? What the fuck? We're going to get to AI. Don't worry. All right, so let's take a look at this one. We got some big ones, guys. FAAS. Right there. Bam! Up 23% today. These are the movers and the shakers. So you want to get into a stock or a crypto? Well, guess what? When you got evidence that it's popping, usually that momentum continues. But this is breaking out. So it's, I mean, shit. Look at this. Momentum's in right now. You want to find these breakouts. These breakouts. This is a trend reversal as well. You got a higher low. W pattern is popping. Popping. So where are we going? I mean, shit, it's up 23% today. So let's take our Fibonacci, measure it, $2.85. So let's take our little measuring tool. That's still another 33%. Another 33% on your money. This is the breakout. So again, a couple things you got to know about breakouts. They don't automatically go right to your target. So there could be some levels. So if you're like, fuck, I don't want to get in right this second, then there's different things you need to look for. So you need to look for right in this area. Take your Fibonacci. Let's measure this bad boy. Let's zoom in so you can see. I'm giving you these hot. I'm going to start doing this, man. I'm giving you these poppers, man. The things that are moving that the big money is buying. If you want to make money, you got to know what people are buying, period. I've been in the stock market for 25 years. I managed $100 million. I'm telling you. Now, is it going to go directly? Maybe, maybe not. But right here, $1.89. $1.89. Sometimes these big old candles, they can sucker people and pull back. So you can put a limit order. Now, this is a stock. You can buy this on, I mean, any broker, right? It's a stock. Set a limit order to $1.89. So if it pulls back, now, if it pulls back, you can just get in on these breakouts because you know the money's coming, right? And this is what? DigiAsia Corporation. It's a cheap stock, $2.16. It's up 24% now. Money's coming in. Squeeze is fire. Look at that green dot. Don't fuck around. 189. Now, if it pulls back, if it may not even pull back, this shit might just shoot up like a damn rocket ship. $1.89. Then you can look to pick some up around this $1.61, right? $1.61. So you got 189 limit order, $1.61 limit order. You could buy right now because it can still go up another 33%, but then put some orders in case it does pull back. This trade is valid as long as $1.07 holds. So it might pull back and shake some people out, but just think about it. Somebody bought this. Somebody, not you and not me. Big money. These breakouts are fucking golden. FAAS. Let me show you another daddy. Yeah, we're going to get to the AI stock as well. But, I mean, bam! What the fuck? 14%. These are the movers and shakers, man. This is how you make money. Don't fuck around. Like, get in whenever you know somebody's fucking buying, right? Now, so this bad boy, let's see how much more room we still got to go. So let's measure the breakout target. Now, this bad boy's moving, all right? This bad boy's moved a lot already, but that's another 15%. 15% that you can make on your money. This is a stock, Rocket Lab, A66. Now, how do we know? Where can we? If you don't want to jump in right now, okay, fine. Where is the time to put your limit orders. I'm giving you the exact numbers, all right? 811. You can put a limit order right here. So if it retreats, lots of times when you get these breakouts, you know, they take off like a rocket ship. So you can just jump in now, and then you can put an order if you trade stock. If you know what you're doing, 811. Then if it pulls back more, you can add at S2, which is down here at 754. Place your limit order. You're probably not going to pull back that far, but it might, because somebody bought. Now they got to shake people out. Maybe. It might just keep going to the moon. This trade is valid as long as we hold 701. So you can buy. You know people are buying. You can add. But if it goes past 701, this trade is no longer on the table. Capiche? Capiche. Now, what else do we got? All right, let's go ahead and jump. Well, we looked at Shiba. We looked at that damn 2,000% monster. Freight Technologies. What the fuck, dude? FAAS. I think we looked at that one, right? FAAS. Yeah, we did. Did you age it with rocking? All right, let's go look at AI. Okay. We're also going to look at Polkadot. Well, Polkadot has sold off some, but still, let's look at Polkadot really quick. Polkadot. It's not up a lot today, but it's up. Okay, there's a lot of coins down today, but Polkadot broke out yesterday. Remember what I'm talking about. When it breaks out, that's the clue. Polkadot is ready to go. Now, is it going to go to the moon? Maybe. But you got to get in these coins. It's at 471 when it's a breakout. That shows you somebody is buying. Now, this trade, how much more percent can Polkadot go? Polkadot can still go up to, let's measure it out, another 8.91%. So, hey, that's almost 9% on your money. I don't know if 9% is not good enough for you, but 9%, and that trade might only take a week. See, this is what I'm talking about. You get these big-ass candles breaking out, and you're looking to add. That's where you would add there and there, right? S1, S2, S3, but this one ain't pulled back. Look at that. Polkadot just popped down a little, shot up. Look at Shiba, 445. By the way, the market today, the actual market, good, awful, down. So anyway, Polkadot is popping. Here we go. Let's go take a look at we already looked at AI, didn't we? Yeah, AI is the one that hasn't broke out yet. Again, 4%. If this bad boy breaks, I don't think we measured as far as, what the hell? Hey, what's that? Wow. Hey, that's a new tool. I'm not, I like Coinbase. I like TradingView, but I got to figure out all these tools. I don't even know what that is. Wow. Very cool. All right. So there you go. I've been using Thinkorswim forever. So let's see here. Still, AI, the stock is cheap, 24 bucks. And again, for those of you that know what you're doing, I'm going to show you something badass right now. There you go. Another 6.36%. Another 6.36%. This can go, right? You can catch another big one. So let me show you how some of the things that you can do with AI. You'll like it. Right, here you go, guys. Check this out. This is Charles Schwab, right? Used to be TD Ameritrade. So this is AI C3, 24 bucks. So you can buy it on any broker. We already know where it's going. We already know where to add. So what can you do? You can buy the stock right there. Outright, you can buy the stock. Great. You can also do what's called, you can sell a put. Sell a put is a way to collect income and own this stock cheaper. So you can sell a put and get $30 for every put that you sell. So you could sell a put and just collect money. Right? You know money's going into AI. It's up today 4.39%. It's the biggest gainer on my board, on my list. You can also do what's called a vertical spread. Right? You can buy verticals. These are option techniques. I don't know how many of you watch, but I trade options live. I trade options live almost every day, but in the school, I trade live every day, making money from these stocks, right? Different ways to profit, like Facebook, X. Well, X doesn't have a stock, but Apple, right? Nvidia, Coinbase, right? You can buy a debit vertical spread. It's a way to where the stock doesn't even have to go up that much, and you can make money. Cost you $14 right here. But this one right here costs you $14. $14 with the chance to win 36 per contract. You can do what's called a credit spread. You can sell a vertical where you're collecting money just for putting the trade on. There's so many basic and advanced ways that you can buy AI. You know money's going into it. Take advantage. They're options. Options. So if you don't know much about options and you want to, well, fuck, come watch us, man. It doesn't cost you nothing to watch, right? So those are different ways because this bad boy is pumping. What else do I got for you? Intel. Intel's up 3.51%, $23 a share. Same thing. Intel, you can sell puts, do spreads, all that shit, dude. So it is popping today. Now, we broke out a couple days ago. I love these breakouts big time. So Intel still has another 10%. Intel can go another 10% on your money, and it might not even take that much. And if it pulls back, right, you can pick some more up around this 22 area. If you're like, that's too high. I mean, shit, money's going in. What's the problem, right? They're buying. Institutions are buying it. Stop fucking around, right? Money's going in. If it pulls back 22.18, pick some more up there in 21.38. Write those numbers down or go back and watch this recording. 22.18, 21.38. Intel's up 3.44%, and it's got another 9%. We can go. All right, let me take a look at this one really quick. I think it's CAPR. I don't think we took a look at that one. Fuck, this bitch is up 14%. Look at that. Rocket ship. But hey, this is what I'm talking about. This was a big green candle, but you see how it pulls back? It gives you opportunities to get back in. But this bad boy, somebody bought it. It's up 15%. So money's flowing into this fucking little tired. Look at this. Shit was down here at $3. $3 shot up to $10. There's a lot of money. But somebody's buying it. Somebody's buying it. So it could go up a hell of a lot more. You want to make sure when you see that they're buying, that's the evidence. Why are you messing around with something that's not moving? Yeah, you can get in it like XRP, right? We can get an XRP and hold it forever, and eventually it's going to move. Or we find something that's breaking out. Now, this is not breaking out, but I want to show you. This already broke out. Look, this is the power of the shit I'm telling you about. Look, right here. It broke out. That's where we're at on some of those coins. Remember what we've been looking at this whole time? Those big old candles that broke out. This is what can happen. Look, that's what can happen. You know money's coming. Guys, I'm going to be talking about breakouts like so much because they're my favorite when it comes to these cryptos and stocks. But that's the fucking clue right there, right? Capricorn, I don't even know what it is, but I don't give a shit. It broke out. I would have told you that again. I wasn't talking to y'all about this, but I'm going to now. Pay attention. Come every day. I'm going to give you the movers and shakers. Look at that. It broke out. If you would have waited for it to pull back, you would have been able to get that S1 level right there, just like I'm telling you. So it pulled back to S1, which is where your first chance is, and then it shot up to the freaking moon. You want to get some winners like that? Pay attention to these breakouts. Pay your ass attention. So those are the movers and the shakers. That's where the money's going. Take advantage of it, right? I gave you several. We'll kind of just take a look at the actual market so you can see what a joke it is today. The market today, 11, ain't doing nothing. It's down 11. Looking crappy. So focus on those ones that I told you about. As far as crypto, we got Shiba, right? Shiba's looking good. Polkadot is a daddy. And then, of course, who was the big crypto daddy? Shit, you got it right, baby. WorldCoin. Look, remember what you just saw. It's breaking out. I showed you one that broke out. It pulled back into the ad zone and then it shot up. You have got visual proof. WorldCoin, crypto, Binance. There you go. That's a daddy of 17%. All right. I'll be back tomorrow. We're going to go over them every day. Movers, shakers, what's happening, what's hot, what are the opportunities, where you can get in, where you need to get out so y'all can make money. So keep coming back. I'm live on Twitter. I'm live on a YouTube channel. All right, everybody. Y'all have an incredible day. Make some money and peace out.